Welcome to our Link In with MU Library series. This video is called A Quick Guide to MU Guides and Tutorials. Go to the library website maynoothuniversity.ie/library. Scroll down and click on Guides and Tutorials. To locate your subject guide, simply scroll down and select the appropriate one for you. For this example, to show what they contain, I'm going to select the Education Subject Guide. Each guide contains a series of tabs that contain information relevant to your subject. On the Getting Started tab on every subject guide, there is a Submit a Query box. Here you can select what you need help with, and this will go straight to our team of teaching librarians. Always remember to provide your MU email address so we can get in contact with you. From the Guides and Tutorials homepage, click on Learning Resources. Here you will find guides such as academic writing and successful searching, which can help get you started when writing assignments and essays. List Online contains our library and information skills tutorials. These short tutorials cover a broad range of topics and are available to view 24/7. From the Guides and Tutorials homepage, click on Research Support. Here you will find a comprehensive selection of guides to help you in your research journey. For a full list of all the guides available to you, click on All Guides A to Z. Why not bookmark the link to our guides and tutorials today? If you have any further queries, please email us at library.infoservices@mu.ie.